Life's an incredible journey, isn't it? But as we journey through it, our bodies evolve, and sometimes we face unexpected challenges. If you're 45 plus, you might be concerned about issues like blood clots, which can lead to some serious health problems. But guess what? Nature has a remarkable secret weapon for you. It's tea. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of teas that can naturally prevent and treat blood clots. By the end of this journey, you'll understand why these teas are your ultimate allies in keeping your circulatory system healthy and free from unwanted surprises. First stop, the incredible world of green tea. It's not just a beverage. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins. These little wonders, especially the epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, work their magic by keeping blood platelets from sticking together, reducing the risk of clots. So, sipping on green tea can be your daily dose of no more clots medicine. Next up, the spicy superstar, ginger. This root isn't just for adding a kick to your recipes. It's been used for ages in traditional medicine for heart health and clot prevention. Meet gingerol, a natural anti-platelet and anti-inflammatory hero. Ginger tea. It's your passport to better circulation and fewer clots. Turmeric, with its dazzling golden color, isn't just a spice. It's a super anti-inflammatory agent. Thanks to curcumin, it baffles inflammation within your blood vessels, keeping clots at bay. Say hello to turmeric tea and goodbye to clot worries. Time to introduce you to the gorgeous hibiscus flower. It's not just a pretty face, it's loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is like your personal blood pressure guardian. By keeping it in check, it contributes to overall heart health. Chamomile, the ultimate relaxation potion. It's not just for bedtime, it's your secret weapon against inflammation. Apigenin, the flavonoid in chamomile, soothes inflammation, making your circulatory system a happy place. Sip on, and stress less. Wait, cayenne pepper for blood clots? Absolutely. It's time to spice up your clot prevention game. Capsaicin in cayenne dilates your blood vessels, ensuring better blood flow. So, add some zest to your life with cayenne pepper tea. Feeling stressed? Lemon balm to the rescue. Stress can contribute to clot formation, and lemon balm is here to calm your nerves. Relaxed and stress-free, you'll be on your way to a healthier circulatory system. Ginkgo biloba, known for memory enhancement, is also a vascular champion. It's been cherished for centuries. By dilating blood vessels and preventing platelet aggregation, ginkgo biloba tea is your guardian against clot-related complications. Ever heard of bilberries? They're like blueberries' powerful cousins, packed with anthocyanins. These antioxidants are your allies in promoting healthy blood vessels and warding off clots. Time to explore the world of bilberry tea. Last but not least, the aromatic delight, cinnamon. It's not just for your morning latte. Cinnamon contains compounds that lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, making it a fantastic addition to your anti-clot arsenal. As we embrace the wisdom that comes with age, we cherish our health even more. The journey to prevent and treat blood clots naturally begins with the soothing magic of tea. The teas we've explored aren't just delicious, they're your allies in enhancing circulation, reducing inflammation, and keeping clots at bay. So, why not make a comforting cup of tea a part of your daily routine? Your circulatory system will thank you. Remember, your wellness often starts with a comforting cup of tea. Stay healthy, stay happy.